What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video of T-Less Good 10 Adventures. Today we have the Lexus HS250H, which is a hybrid slash 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, Atkinson cycle engine actually. Basically this is the same engine from a Toyota Camry 07 to 2011 actually. Don't quote me on that, but from all my research. But today we're going to be changing the CVT fluid in it. Car has roughly almost 190,000 miles. Using OEM Toyota ATF WS, which is Toyota's version. Lexus version was actually cheaper than Toyota's version, which was pretty weird to me. But it's the same WS fluid that you use. The CVT in this 4-cylinder uses 4 quarts. Again, use OEM fluid, please. Valvoline, max life, all that stuff says compatible, but I would just stick with OEM Toyota fluid. Super easy process to do this. So we're gonna go down here, show you exactly how it looks and how to drain, all that good stuff. So here is your driver's side area, your transaxles right there, and if you can see, right there is your drain plug. Right above that there's another vent plug, but that's not your, that's your fill plug. So you're not going to use this one, you're going to use the one right below it. Kind of hard to see. Right below it right there, and then right below that is your drain. Uses a 10mm hex tool. You can see right there. Basically you just put it on. Lefty loosey, righty tighty on both sides. Make sure you loosen the fill plug first, and then the drain plug. Cool fact, I was down here and I just noticed this is a Toyota R-Dot transmission. So eventually this transmission was replaced at some point, or the CVT transmission was replaced at some point. But there's the old fluid. I already drained it out. Pitch black, so I don't even know the last time this has been changed, but we're gonna change it just for fun, and also for fun we're gonna change the oil. I used a 14mm to loosen this. Use your same crush washer. I'm using a Wix XP filter for my transmission or oil, engine oil. So we're gonna use that. I already put that on there, and then we'll put our new oil in. So again, super easy. 14mm loosens it. Here's your oil filter. Spin it to the left to loosen it, spin it to the right to tighten it, and then CVT again there. So we're gonna go ahead and pump it up. All right. Okay, everyone. So after we're done putting in the 4 quarts, there will be a little slight mess from the spill, but you'll want to pour it in till you start seeing a little dribble, and then you're gonna lay the vehicle flat down. And this is kind of patient. You gotta wait. Just let it pour out until it stops dripping. Then jack up the car again and re-torque your bolt. Again, the reason you do this, you want to make sure this is just a drain and fill on these transmissions. There is no filter. There is no certain perfect amount. You just got to pour the 4 quarts in usually. But again, if you overfill it or whatnot, it's not good. So again, drain it till the fill drain starts leaking out fluid. Let it sit for a little bit. Make sure all the fluid's up. Then re-tighten the bolt down and re-clean up all the little excess oil that's spilled and drained. All right. All right, let's go and pour some oil in now for the engine oil. All right, so we're inside the Lexus. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil trip meter. Pretty easy. Just swing back here to your trip meter. Make sure that it's on A. Trip A. You're going to hold down and then press accessory mode twice. You can see it's resetting right now. Oil maintenance data reset. 00, and then bam, that's it. Pretty easy, huh? Not bad. I used 4.5 quarts of 0W20 Pennzoil high mileage on the vehicle, and yeah, that's it. Make sure everything's good, no oil leaks, all that good stuff. All right, please like, subscribe for some more content. Bye.